When it comes to your kitchen, a perfect fit starts with careful measurements. Tecumseh Cabinet and Countertop is here to help. You don't need any special skills, just a tape measure, pencil, paper, a ruler, a level, and some patience. Create a drawing of your kitchen. Start by drawing an outline of your kitchen using a ruler for straight lines, labeling all the openings and obstacles. You can create your floor plan drawing on paper or on your computer. Label each opening and wall with a letter and create a key where you'll write your measurement. Measure the overall length of walls where there will be cabinets. It's always best to start from a left corner and measure clockwise around the room. Measure from corner to corner using inches. Always round to the nearest eighth of an inch. Use a level to ensure your measuring tape is straight, and always include fractions in your measurements. Measure openings, windows, and doors. For pass-throughs, measure the wall starting at the corner and stop at the outside edge of the trim for doors or windows. Measure the full width of doors and windows from one edge of the trim to the other. If any doors open and close, indicate which way they open. Add these measurements to your floor plan, matching them to the corresponding letters in the key. Measure the height of the doors and windows. Create a new drawing for each wall with doors and windows. Measure from the floor to the bottom of the trim for windows and the full height of doors and windows to the top edge of the trim. Record height measurements on the wall plans and width measurements on both the wall and floor room plans. Measure ceiling height. Measure from the top of the finished floor to the ceiling. Since floors can be uneven, take measurements from multiple locations in the kitchen. Write each measurement on your corresponding wall plans. Add appliances. Draw boxes on your floor plan to indicate appliance locations. Include the brand and model if available, and measure the height, length, and depth of each one. If appliances haven't been purchased yet, add the brand and dimensions of the model you're considering. Mark plumbing and gas location. If your space is new construction or already cleared after demolition, then measure from the corner of a wall to the center of the plumbing fixture. Note these measurements on your floor plan. If your existing cabinets are still in place, then do your best to locate the distance and note that on your floor plan. Gather photos and videos. Take photos or videos of your kitchen from various angles to provide a complete view. Share your plans. Share your pictures, video, floor and wall plans with our design team. Then sit back, relax, and wait for your designer to contact you